Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design. A tile bathroom brings a beautiful and functional aesthetic to any space, offering endless design possibilities and practicality. Tiles are an excellent choice for bathroom surfaces due to their durability, water resistance, and ease of maintenance. From the floor to the walls, tiles can transform a bathroom into a stylish and inviting sanctuary. When it comes to tile selection for a bathroom, various materials, colors, shapes, and patterns are available, allowing for customization to suit individual tastes and design preferences. Ceramic and porcelain tiles are popular choices due to their versatility, affordability, and wide range of styles. Natural stone tiles, such as marble or travertine, offer a luxurious and timeless appeal. Glass tiles can add a touch of elegance and reflect light, creating a visually stunning effect. The bathroom floor is an ideal space to showcase the beauty and functionality of tiles. Large format tiles or smaller mosaic tiles can be used to create a seamless and visually appealing surface. Patterns, such as herringbone or chevron, can add interest and sophistication to the floor design. Non-slip tiles with textured finishes are recommended for bathroom floors to ensure safety, particularly in wet areas. Wall tiles in a bathroom not only protect the surfaces from moisture but also contribute to the overall aesthetic. Tiles can be used to create a feature wall behind the vanity or bathtub, adding visual interest and becoming a focal point. Subway tiles, with their classic and timeless appeal, are a popular choice for bathroom walls. Different colors, textures, and layouts can be utilized to achieve various design styles, whether it be modern, traditional, or eclectic. Tile patterns and layouts also play a significant role in the overall design of a tiled bathroom. Straight lay, diagonal, or herringbone patterns can create different visual effects and add personality to the space. Borders or decorative accents with contrasting tiles can be incorporated to add a touch of creativity and style. Grout color selection is an important consideration in tile bathroom design. Grout can either blend in with the tiles for a seamless look or contrast to create a defined grid pattern. Light-colored grout can create a clean and fresh appearance, while dark-colored grout can add depth and create a bold statement. In addition to floors and walls, tiles are also commonly used in shower areas and bathtub surrounds. Large, format tiles or mosaic tiles can be used to create a waterproof and visually striking shower enclosure. Glass tiles can be utilized to create accent walls or decorative borders within the shower. Proper waterproofing and tile installation techniques are essential to ensure the longevity and functionality of these areas. In conclusion, a tile bathroom offers a versatile and visually appealing solution for both practicality and aesthetics. With a wide range of materials, colors, patterns, and layouts to choose from, tiles can create a customized and stylish bathroom design. From the floor to the walls, tiles provide durability, water resistance, and easy maintenance, making them an ideal choice for a functional and beautiful bathroom space. In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!